This video will show you how to change your preferred name in eServices. First, let's talk about what is a preferred name. A preferred name can be requested through the Normandale Records Office if you would like to be identified by a different name than your legal name while you are a student at Normandale. For example, your Normandale email account, your student ID, and your class rosters are all places where your preferred name would be used. Your preferred name will also appear in D2L, which is our learning management system. D2L is often used by your instructors as an online space where you will submit assignments and possibly interact with other students. All of the online spaces within D2L will use your preferred name. Additionally, your preferred name will appear on your Normandale diploma and the Normandale Commencement Program. For a full list of where your preferred name will appear and a list of where your legal name will still appear, search for Preferred Name in the search bar on the Normandale homepage at www.normandale.edu. Next, let's talk about how you request a preferred name. You may request a preferred first, middle, and/or last name. Please note that Normandale Community College reserves the right to deny a requested preferred name if the requested name is inappropriate. For example, if it's requested to avoid a legal obligation, to misrepresent, or if it violates a system policy. To submit a preferred name request, log in to eServices. One way to log into eServices is to use the link directly on the Normandale homepage. Verify that you're ready to proceed and click the box to proceed to eServices. From the left-hand side, select Account Management. Select Name and Address Info. Read the paragraph about preferred name, and if you're ready to submit it, select the Edit link. Fill out the fields for your preferred name and select Change Preferred Name. If you have any questions, contact the ITS Help Desk at 952-358-8181. Thanks for watching.